And so you ask, what about when it doesn't have the y-intercept on the table? How can I do that? Okay, well, number 6 is a good example. We'll do that one, and I'm going to do number 7 and walk you through that process. So you look at number 6, you find the differences. There's 93, 77, 61, 45, 29, and then these are all 16. So let's state what the problem is we want to know what goes right here. Okay? So there's a number that goes here and a number that goes here. If we can find both of those numbers, then we can find this number. So, for example, if you look, 45 minus 16 gets us 29. So we know this number down here has to be 16. Let me do all that in a different color. We know this number down here is 16, which means 29 minus 16 is 13. So that number there would be 13. Well, how are these numbers related to the y values? They're the difference in the y values. 46 minus 29 is 17. So 17 minus 13 is, ding, 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 4. And so for this one, which is quadratic, y equals ax squared plus bx plus 4. And let's look at number 7 real quick. It requires you to do 2 steps. A little faster, but it's only one difference here. Because negative 15.5 minus 13 is negative 2.5, and these are all negative 2.5. So how can I get this next one? So I take negative 3, and I take away negative 2.5, and I get negative 0.5. And then if I want to get the next one, I have to do that again. So negative 0.5 minus negative 0.25, or 2.5. It's the same as adding 2.5, and you get 2. And that is the y-intercept. And in this case, since it's linear, it is the value of b at the end of the equation. So that's what you do if the table doesn't have all the information you would hope for. Also on this one, you find out that a is negative 2.5, x plus b. And if you don't want to do this business with the table, then you can just take a point. For example, 2, negative 3. The y value is negative 3. X value is 2. You get negative 5 plus b is equal to negative 3. Add 5 to both sides, and you get that b equals 2. More than one way to get things done. All right, best of luck. Let me know if you have more questions. Like and subscribe. Ring that bell.